Hey everyone, so in this video I am making an infused herbal oil. So infused herbal oils are oils that you use dried flowers and is very nourishing for your skin. So in this video I'm using chamomile and calendula flowers, dried flowers in our infused oil. And so I use this oil mostly for our body butters, especially during the fall season where, your skin has a tendency to get really dry. So it's a very nourishing oil, great anti-aging benefits as well, keeping your skin nourished, also firm. And this step that I'm going to show you is a great way to, if you're making products, a great way to infuse your body oils. All right, let's go and make some infused oils. Hey guys, I am getting ready to make a jojoba infused oil, calendula, and some chamomile flowers. This is going to be very great for the fall, winter months. It's actually great all year round. So we're going to have some infused oils in our butters. So stay tuned. I'm getting ready to pull in the oil. Okay, we are now going to add the oils. We're gonna let that, either gonna do the old method, which is a few weeks, and let this infuse, or the hot method I could put in a crock pot for a couple of hours or overnight and let it infuse. Stay tuned. Pouring our herbal oil. We're getting ready to drain this out. And this is a herbal infused oil. Chamomile flowers and calendula flowers, great skin conditioning benefits, moisturization, anti-inflammatory, great for dry, itchy skin. So we're getting ready to drain this out. So we got to use this in our body butters. And what I did with this, I did put it in a heat bath, a water bath, so I could heat this up for about, I probably did this for about an hour. It was already sitting for a couple of days, so that was great. And I went on and heated it up. So we're going to use a cheesecloth. I have a what is that? The coffee filters underneath this, and also another drainer. So we're just going to pour this in. And the cheesecloth is going to catch all the flowers and stuff. And then any little bits will be caught with the coffee filters. So here we go. All that goodness. And we're going to allow this to strain and give us a nice golden herbal infused oil, and add some great conditioning benefits to the body butter, moisturization to the body butter. So there you have it. We're going to drain all of this out. We're going to take the cheesecloth. Take the cheesecloth. So you can see under there, you see the regular filter and then the coffee filters, and we just squeeze this out. So I have about 2 more of these that I'm going to do. I'm going to let this squeeze out. Can you see that? I hope you can see that. and the little bits that get between that through the cheesecloth, it will be caught with the coffee filters. And then there's other strainers down there. Okay, so that's our herbal infused oils. This is how the oil comes out. So it's nice and clean, and all those little bits and stuff is already captured from the coffee strainer. See there? So this is how it comes out. So this is how the oil looks. This is actually the rest of after me using some for the body oil, for the body butters. So this is how it looks, nice and golden. There you have it, herbal infused oils for our body butters.